Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check your Roblox inventory. Go to the three stripes here to the menu, and then you are going to go to inventory. Here you can now view your inventory and what items you have. So these are the accessories I have. I don't have any animations, audio, other animations. I do have badges, okay. Like pants, short skirts, bundles, classic clothing, classic heads, decals, emotes. There's a lot here. You can even view like your private servers here. And tops and stuff over there. That's pretty much how you can view your inventory. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!